This is me, Asha, and this is my brother Habib. Say hello. Hello. So we're gonna open handband mini remote racing cars. Are you ready?
Yeah,
First, your turn to open.
Let's see what you will get. I'll open it. Hey!
No problem, I can help you.
You can take it.
It's fun. No, this is opening. Oh, here's the open.
Oh, let's go.
There.
Nope.
You can do it. Come on, try it. You done it. Let's open. Now open from here.
Okay.
I'm so excited. Oh, it's a red car! Come on, take it out. Okay, I can help you.
I can do it.
Whoa, it's so pretty. It's like a racing car. Same like this one.
Wow! It's a cool racing car with a blue.
It's a
legal racing car. And look like this. A big.
Look at its watch. Now my turn.
Wow! Look, Mama, that watch is so cool. It's to your hand it.
Now we're gonna open. Hey, look my one. I am ready to. My car is so cute.
And it's a hard car.
No way.
My car is still cool. And my car is.
Okay, let's open. I'm gonna open my one first.
What?
Wow! Look at light. Oh, look at my car. It's so cute. First, I'm gonna open this area of it. Oh, it's got down. It's so cute. My car is so cute.
That was going faster.
Look at this.
It's got. faster.
Okay. Hey, bro. Do you have this? Wait. What? Okay, I can just. Let me try. My car is ready. Now we're gonna see. Let's do some race, okay?
Alright, I did it.
Okay. Oh wow. My one is a little bit slow, but it's cute.
It's so cute. And my one's literally faster.
Okay.
Who is that?
Now I'm gonna do your action. Okay, now we're gonna show over another car. My one is a little bit much. Look at my one. Okay, now we're gonna show you. They're gonna run together. Are you ready? I'm ready for it.
I'm too ready.
Now let's do one by one race. First, I'm gonna do this car race. Which one you're doing? Okay, are you ready?
You're doing the same ones.
I'm ready. Now the next one. I'm ready with that. Oh my god!
And look, my one.
It goes same track. I want to do again. It's so fun.
Oh my god. I do good at this. Oh my god.
I hope you like our
video.
cars. They're so cute.
Look